Hey guys, good afternoon, everybody.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, so today everyone is ready for to learn like microservices security, guys.
Yes.
Very good concept, right? So like I will make this concept as too much easy, and but the security concept is not easy. That's it. But I will make. After then, the people are ready for learning another module like project. You guys want or just anything else? Just tell me, right? Hmm? Which subject you guys want after microservices? Just I
Data
want
structure, sir.
uh,
Data structure.
data structure,
Design patterns also, Ravi.
design pattern.
How much time it will take? Yeah.
This my
Design pattern.
design pattern also is actually we will in the design pattern only we will learn data structure also, right?
Sure, sir.
So yeah, that's a good, but some people need, right, really need a project also. So let's say I will plan like every day morning, right? Every day morning I will start project, and a weekend I will start like design pattern or data structure. Anything else you people want, I will start it like
Yeah, okay,
that's
Ravi. So,
like that's how I plan it.
yeah, okay, Ravi. Fine, we join.
Yeah, so but the thing is, guys, dedication need from there onward. I said right after completing this microservices, even I'm not going to upload any videos on YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So just join the live session because I prepared so many things, even classroom and all those things I installed in my computer. So the notes I will provide there, as well as any other things I will use. If any really more important concept, those concept I can upload it on the YouTube, but whole session I will not, because somewhere I'm making the people lazy also, right? If the people are just after uploading that video, the people are watching, that's also not good.
Yeah, okay,
So
Ravi.
yeah,
Yeah, we
so
join.
yeah, so today I'm going to start what spring security, sorry, micro spring boot security, right? Spring boot
Yeah.
security using what, using spring boot, using what, spring boot and microservices, using spring boot and what, microservices. Today our discussion is this one only, right? So anyone can tell what is the security, where we are applying? Anyone having any idea about this one, guys? Okay, so just I'm saying that, right? JAS, we are going to learn today what? JAS, right? JAS. Today we are going to learn what? JAS. JAS means what? Just simple, right? Java authentication. Java authentication and what? Authorization, right?
Yeah.
Authorization services.
That is.
Services. So by seeing this name, what people are analyzing, anyone can tell? Just I want analysis about yours, guys. Okay, don't worry, I'm here now. I will tell each and every thing, but don't fear, right? Just tell.
Authentication is for the whether the user can access that particular APIs or something like that. I mean, that particular services. Authorization is like for a particular user, what kind of services he can able to access. Even once he authenticated, what kind of permissions you have. Like suppose we have a different levels of services, whether admin level or user level or manager level, something like that.
Yeah.
What particular user can access? What is his access level? That will comes under authorization generally.
Yeah, yes. So very good, very good. Yeah, your analysis is very nice. So I appreciate you, Sandeep. Front of everyone, at least you given the answer, right? And your answer also good. Your answer also good. So what about others? What about the others? Just interact with me, guys. Okay, if you guys are like scared with me, then when the interview scheduled, how you people will give the interview? Please, just only one request, guys, habituate with this session. Okay, this session, if you see this session as a positive way, right, so many things you guys will learn as subject, as well as what every Saturday, every weekend you guys are getting some interaction, like that interview is happening nowadays, na? So please open up yourself, right? Open up yourself. So okay, fine, guys. So very good. Now let's start it, right? So what is the authentication, right? First, let's understand what is the authentication.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Divya, so authentication is user permissions, and like authorization
Yeah.
is whether checking the user identity is correct or not.
Yeah, very good. Good, Divya. First time I hear your voice in our session. It's really, really happiness for us. Okay. So
Thanks
that's
a lot.
that confidence I need, right? Actually, I'm not like what we can say. Uh, what we are saying that like criminal, na, I will shoot out you, I will if the people is started to talking with me, I will start to shooting them. No, just I'm also human and a normal only, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, so that's a good, Divya, very nice.
thanks.
So now anyone else?
Okay, I'm Akhil.
Yeah,
Authentic, yes.
yeah, Akhil.
Authentication means uh, giving the permissions to particular persons or something. Authorization means monitoring that permissions, which is correct or not, like that.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
good.
Just I have a little bit of
Yeah,
knowledge.
that's good. That's enough, right? That's enough. At least you started to open up yourself. Nah, that is the enough for me, right? Because if anything a mistake is there, that one also acceptable here. But in interview, if you are doing the mistake, they will not accept. They will reject it. Nah. So
Okay.
yeah, so that's a good. At least you guys are opening yourself. Nah, that is a matter a lot. So, okay, now good, guys, good, very good. So now let's understand what is the authentication, right? What is the authentication? Just authentication means what, guys? Just what I'm doing now, I'm opening the Chrome, right? So I'm opening the Chrome now. What I'm doing now, just I'm opening my Facebook account. Okay, so just I'm opening the Facebook account now. This is the my account. I opened it, right? So in that, what I'm doing now, just I'm logging out this my Facebook account. I logged out, right? Yeah, so yeah, my Facebook account is logged out, guys. Okay, my Facebook account is logged out, right? But who is the using this Facebook now? By you hitting this URL facebook.com, right? I hit the URL, but here what is that? What is that? Here I'm putting my username and a password, right? Here what we will do it now, here I will put my username and here I will put my password, right? And whenever I will hit the login button, someone is validating this username and password or not, yaar. Someone need to validate, na? Come on, some logic we need to write. which logic will validate this username and password? Yeah, this person is correct. This person is correct, right? Let's give them his account access permission, right? Come on, people are getting my point, what I'm trying to say now?
Yes.
Yeah, so means here what is that? Here validating username and password, validating username and password, that is called what? Authentication. Clear, guys? Please respond it, guys. Okay, security
Yes, clear,
concept.
sir.
Huh? Sorry.
Yes, clear.
Yeah, so authentication means what? Validating, validate, right? Validate user data, right? User data, nothing but what is that? Username and what? And a password. That is called what? Authentication. Now good, guys. So okay, fine. Now so here what I'm doing, I forgetted my Facebook account password username. Well, okay, I'm trying now. Let's, if login now, then fine, nah? Otherwise I will make the forget. So what was the password? I forgot, because every time I'm leaving my Facebook account as a login only.
Yeah, you can use password saved in your Google account. It will automatically fill.
Yeah, but 1 minute, I'm remembering now. No, not this one. Yeah, correct. Okay, so whenever I kept, right, whenever I kept just whenever I'm putting that username and password, what I'm getting now, my Facebook, I'm able to access this Facebook account or not? Come on, yaar. I'm able to access my Facebook account now. Please respond.
Yeah.
It need response also,
Yes.
guys. Okay, need response also,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so fine. Now guys, just what I'm doing now, I'm opening a one. Okay, because let's analyze here itself only, right? So ICICI. Okay, okay, so in the ICICI bank is there, right? This is the ICICI bank, what website is there, our application is there. In that what we are doing now, we are able to make the request, and what we are doing now, we able to see this front page now. Come on, home page. This is the home page. We are able to see home page or not? Come on, guys. If you guys are making the request, if you guys also is making the request, then you guys also will get the same page only now. Come on, a different page.
Yes.
Need
Yes, same
response,
page.
guys, need response, because security concept is there now. In the security, if you people are not giving the response, I can't proceed myself next level. I will repeat again and again, because the security, I don't want, after completing the security concept, right, any doubt will be there in this area. So fine, so what we are doing now, here front page we are getting, right? If you guys are also making the request to what, ICICI bank account, right? sorry, ICICI bank application. So same page you guys also will get na.
Yes.
Means what? Who we are? We are the user na guys. Come on, we are the user, right?
Yeah.
So what is our roles? Even manager also, if the ICICI bank manager also will send the request, same page only he also will get, right? He also will get same page only, but right, some pages is there, right? Some pages is there. Who can access? Some pages will access only manager. Some pages in this application only, some pages will access only what? Customer only, right? Some pages will access only what is that, who is the cashier in this ICICI bank, right? So what is the manager, customer, and what? Manager, customer, and cashier. These are the role na. Come on, these are the role are not, guys? Come on, job
Yeah.
role. These are the job role, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these are the job role. So in our application, right, whatever page will open based on that role, right, based on that role, if the page is validating based on that role, that is called what? That is called what? Authorization. Authorization, right? That is called what? Authorization. Don't worry, the people still theory is going on na. Practical, whenever we will enter in the practical, as well as whenever in the session only, your all doubt will be clear in the session only. If the people are listening carefully, seriously, right, the people will become what? Too good in the security. In the, don't worry, JWP tokenization also I will teach in the security, Spring microservices security. OAuth 2 also I will tell, right? OAuth 2 means what? Just I'm opening, what is that? OAuth 2, the people know that, right? What is, where the OAuth 2 we can implement? 1 minute, right, sir? Make my trip, right? Make my trip, just what? Book my show. Let's open book my show application I'm using, right? So book my show application just I'm using, and here what I'm doing now, just I'm clicking, what is that? It's asking the city, right? Let's take any view all city. I took one city, right? So here what we are doing now, offer, okay. Just I'm clicking, yeah. See this, we are getting this page now, get start, continue with the Google, continue with the email ID, continue with the Apple, right? People are getting this page or not?
Oh, yes, sir.
So whenever we will click on this one, right, whenever we will click on this one, so it will validate with what? In this situation, what, which kind of things we are implementing, which kind of security we are implementing? OAuth 2 we are implementing, right? Authentication 2. So like if anybody is asking where we are implementing, how our OAuth security is working, like this only, right? So here OAuth 2 security is implemented. This one also I will implement. Java tokenization means JWT, right? JWT, where we are implementing JWT whenever we our request is coming from the Angular project. Angular like React project. There what, which kind of things with JWT, Java tokenization we are using, right? That security I will tell. Each and every point of security I will touch in the, and even just don't think we are in the microservices. In the microservices we are there in the last portion, but still it will take near about 1 month, because so many concept I'm going to teach in the Spring Boot security, right? Sorry, Spring Boot microservices secure in the security session. So fine now, guys. So okay, so here what is that? What is the authorization? What is the authorization? What is the authorization? Authorization is what? Validate what is that? User, validate user role, right? validate user role. Like what is that? Some admin role is there, admin role is there, user role will be there, manager role will be there, right? Manager, MANAG, manager role will be there, right? So just what is that? Consider our what, consider our what, this one only, this ICICI bank project only, right? This ICICI bank project only. So just I'm taking the our Sandeep is there, right? I'm taking the Sandeep name only, or anyone else want their name? Okay, let's select one person name, right? Yeah, let's take Sandeep name only, right? Sandeep, are you there now? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's take the Sandeep name only. So what the Sandeep, just consider this application, ICICI bank application. So here what Sandeep is doing now? What Sandeep is doing now, guys? Sandeep is doing what? Sandeep is Sandeep is open one, what is that? One account. Sandeep is open, what is that? One account, right? One account as a, what is that? Then Sandeep is becoming user of this application or not, guys? Come on. Sandeep is becoming a
Yes.
user, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So Sandeep is opening this account, and what is that? Sandeep open this account as a user, right? As a user, right? User or customer. As a customer, right? As a customer. So just one thing I'm asking, right? Just question I'm giving, right? So what is that? Can he apply for loan? Just give the response, guys. Can Sudhir, if the Sudhir is created one account in the ICICI, so they Sandeep can, Sudhir name is coming. Sandeep can apply, Sandeep can apply loan or not?
Yeah, we can apply.
Sandeep can apply a loan, right? Yes, Sandeep can
Yes.
apply. Okay, so just one more thing. Okay, so can he apply approve his loan?
No, Ravi. Manager.
Huh? He
Yeah,
can't,
that's
right?
manager. No.
He can't, right? No. Manager can what? Approve, right? So means what? Means what? But if role is what? If user is what? Just user. If user is what? Just assume that, let's take manager. I'm making Divya, right? Divya also our serious student, right? So Divya only her name na. 1 minute, I'm checking. Manjulata and Divya, these two people also, like, are you there? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm taking the Divya name, right? So Divya is a what? ICICI bank manager, right? Divya is what? Divya, right? Divya spelling is correct, na? Yeah, leave it. Okay, Divya is
Yeah,
what?
yeah.
Is that manager? Divya is what? Manager. Okay, Divya is manager. So Divya can approve this loan? Divya can approve this loan or not? Come on. Hmm?
Yes.
Yes, right? Yes, Divya can approve the loan. But here what is that? See here what? Sandeep role is what? Sandeep role is what? Customer, yeah, customer, right? Customer. But what is that? Divya role is manager. So who can who can approve the loan? Divya can approve the loan, but what is that? Sandeep cannot approve the loan. Sandeep can approve. Sandeep can apply for the loan, right? But he cannot approve his loan, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So the same things, right? Here, what is that? So based on that role only, validating the things in our software, in our project, or in our project, that is called what? Authorization. People are getting my point. The thing is clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, so good. So now fine, good guys. So here what here? So main is main. Let's understand roles, right? Role, right? Roles. Let's understand as what role. So in our software, right? In our software, what a user can do means what is that? What operation? What operation? And right, what is that? And what he cannot, right? Roles means what? Rules means what? In the software, right? In the project, the role will define what the user can do and what user cannot do. Same like what is that? Sandeep can apply for the loan, but Sandeep cannot approve. Who can approve? Divya can approve, because Divya is the manager of this ICICI bank, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, so now people are getting the point. What is the authentication and what is the authorization?
Yes.
Okay, so just what in the project only, just I'm taking some rules, right? Rules like what is that? Rules are there. So rules like what is that? Customer can open his account, right? And what is that? Admin is there. Admin can view the account balance, right? Manager can approve. Manager can approve what? Manager can approve the loan. Cashier, right? See, what is that? What is the spelling of cashier? I'm forgetting. Cashiers. Correct spelling is correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes. Okay.
ETC, right? ETC. So cashier roles is what? To give the money from the bank, right? So everyone having the different roles na, guys. Come on, everyone having the different roles na. So based on their roles only, they can access our what? They can access our software. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but what? Authorization. That is nothing but what? Authorization, right? So now just what is that? But the thing is by okay. So another things what we can, yeah. So the authentication and authorization levels. Let's understand what authentication and what authorization levels, right? So here what is that? These authentication, right? So this authorization, what we will understand first. What first? Let's understand what is that authorization, right? Authorization, how we can work on authorization in our what project, right? So authorization. Authorization levels. Authorization levels are three, guys. Okay, authorization levels are three. So what is those means what? Just assume that based on that access permission, right? Based on that access permission, we are deciding the levels, right, in our project. So just what I'm doing now. So what I'm doing now, guys, so here I made the request to ICICI bank account now. So this page is came for me also, as well as if the manager is making the request on this project, then what will happen? Or on this software, what will happen? Manager also will get the same page only now. Come on. If you guys are also making the request, what is that? Just assume that just only one thing. So let's discuss based on our what discussion only. So Sandeep is there, right? Sandeep want what is that? To open one our what account in ICICI bank. So what Sandeep will do? Sandeep will make the request to ICICI bank project, right? Or ICICI bank software. So first page what Sandeep will get? This page only na. Come on.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, So same like, okay, same like Divya is the manager of what? ICICI Bank. So Divya want to log in, right? Log in his account. So first what Divya will do? Divya also will make the ICICI request only na, ICICI.com request only na. Come on.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
yeah, so Divya will also get what is that, this page or not? Come on, same page Divya also will get, right?
Yes. Yes.
Means
Yes,
what?
Praveen.
Means what? This page is for common for all users or not, yaar? Hmm?
Yeah.
This
Yes.
page,
Common.
this page is common for what? All users. So for that we are if the common for all user, right? So for that purpose, what is that? Our Spring Boot application is given first level. I'm giving, right? What is that? Permit all. Permit, what is that? All, right? Permit all means what? No security need. If we want to give what? Any page to access anyone, right? Whoever the user of our what project. So no need, right? No need. What is that? Security. No need what? Security to access. No need security to access what is that? Our resource. Resource is nothing but what is that? URL, guys. URL are path, right? URL are what? Our path. URL are what? Path, right? Like just what is that? What I'm giving now, whenever we are making the request to Facebook, right? Everyone is getting the login page now. Come on, everyone is getting the login page or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Everyone will get.
Yeah.
Yes.
So for example, I'm giving what? For example, slash home page in our project. After then what is the slash contact us also there, right? Contact us page, and what? And what is that? Our branch, right? Our branch. Based on that, what is that? If anybody want to see that, what is that? Where the branch, right? Where the branch and all those things. So that page also anyone can access, right? Anyone can access. Branch, this kind of, right? This kind of what is that page? If we want to develop, right? If we want to implement our security, so we will give the permit all permission, right? Permit all permission. So so anyone can access our pages, right? Clear, guys?
Yeah. Clear.
Second level, right? Second level, let's understand second level, right? Second level is what is the? Authenticated. Authenticated, right? Authenticated. What is the authenticated? What is the authenticated? Authenticated means what? See, boss, if you are handling any group, right? Just assume that my Facebook group is there na, Java Ravikant Tripathi, right? So if in that group, if anyone is participating, right? Participating, so means what? Means what? If I want to manage that group, right? If I want to manage that group, first what we need? First I need to log in my account or not? Come on. First I need to log in my account na. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Right? Without login, I can't manage my Facebook group or not? Come on.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Or anything, right? Anything if I want to do in my account, right? So until unless if I'm not login, right? Just assume that I want to post something in my Facebook account, right? So if I want to post something in my Facebook account, so until unless if I am not, right? If I am not like what?